How's it going, everybody? So in this video I am going to show you guys a simple exercise that will help you guys with mewing. Really good, highly recommended. What it is a lot of mewing is all about tongue position. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys some tongue exercise that will allow you to master the art of mewing, if you will. So really important. Highly recommend that you guys follow along and you'll see some amazing results. With mewing, what you do is you take your tongue and you put it on the roof of your mouth. That's the basis of mewing, and you're actually supposed to hold that position for a fairly long time. Like, a lot of people do it all day long, which is insane. I don't actually recommend doing it for that long. But what I'm going to show you is a simple exercise to actually help you with that positioning. And all you're going to do is get your tongue and go like this. So what you're going to do is this. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my tongue on the roof of my mouth, then on the bottom of my mouth. Roof of my mouth, bottom of my mouth. Roof of the mouth, bottom of my mouth. This helps with your jaw, and it helps to get that structure back, and it helps you when you're looking to keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. It helps. So let's do 10 reps, take a little bit of break, and then you do 10 again. So like this. So just like that, 10 repetitions. Super simple to do, yet highly effective. You guys really recommend that you guys follow this off, and recommend you guys following this, and you're going to see some huge results. So a little bit of a break, another 10 seconds, I'll do it again. Yeah, you guys, we are killing it. So let's do it again. So just like this. Super simple to do, really good, you guys. And yeah, that is basically it, you guys. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999.